I salute all my people where they watch me. This one, I don't know be a sad news, I been a good news where I carry come. One man don't come out, they narrate how robbers rob him from his sight. That is, as this man did like this, he know they see again. And this attack happened for Apongbon Bridge inside Lagos. All of us know say this location now so different type of traffic. You know go know where the thing they come from, and so this thing they start. And this guy claims saying a normal Uber driver na him be make him just go drop in passenger. Now there boys of 17, 18 just come attack him, almost even kill him. My people, make now follow me watch.
September 12, 2019, I was an Uber driver. I started driving Uber January that same year, yes. So September 12th was the day it all happened. I was conveying one of my riders. As an Uber driver, I was conveying one of my riders. I picked her from 1004 estate. She was heading towards Papa Ajao. So getting to Apongbon Bridge, we encountered traffic on our way. And this was around 8:30 p.m. or 8:20 thereabouts. So while in traffic, I mean, something just said I should pray, you know, that thing just said I should pray. My spirit just told me to pray. 20 minutes into the traffic, I saw two young guys, that's two young boys, not more than 18, 19. They look like, I actually thought that there were people coming back from work. They passed my car, they were looking into the car suspiciously. So I wasn't really comfortable with it. So I was sensitive about that, one of them looking into the car. So I just noticed that they halted, they both stopped behind my car. And the next thing I told my rider to just keep her stops. I started panicking. I felt like something was going to happen. So these guys came back. They came back to the side of the car. One of them was behind. That one didn't have a gun. I didn't notice any gun. I didn't even know what to do at first. But the next thing I did was I told my rider to just keep her stops under my seat. I just told her that, see, you're about to rob us, so that she should keep her stops. Because I was just concerned about my rider, that she should stay low, So this happened within a minute. I realized that this guy was persistent because he kept on showing me the gun. Bring your phone. I was hearing it faintly. I reached out to my phone, and the next thing I just wanted to give him my phone, and the next thing was a gunshot. I heard a gunshot, and the pellets actually shattered the glass. The pellets pierced my eyes. I had some scars here that the glasses entered my body. So I was actually unconscious for a while because it hit me so hard. My nose, my teeth got broken, as you can see. I have braces on. Then it pierced both my eyes. The pellets actually pierced my eyes. So it actually ruptured my globe.
Now, wow. On top person daily bread. Now person go see they go through all this kind of pain. No be say na 419 working dey do. Normal work, legit work. Now these people go still decide say na him they won't come the attack. And get one thing where this man talk wey touch me pass. See, after this attack, in fact, nobody even come near and say they won't even come rescue her. Because after these people don't even shoot her, and that shooting now, it don't affect his eye because the glasses now he took enter in eye. Bullets pass through in teeth and no know where pass. Come outside. Say nobody even reason and say, okay, make her try go help. I beg now, so we don't dey heartless rich. When they say person go dey in trouble, we no go even reason and say, okay, make we even try go help this person. We go come leave the person just like that. But I see thank God say this guy dey alive. Say nothing do and pass like this. At least in dey blind, but at least he still get hope. But now, because of phone weight damage, I won't face them these people. Because of phone, how much phone? 45,000 naira phone. Now I won't destroy person life on top. And this one, I hear saying that cultists people now. I beg all these cultists, waiting on a day. Waiting for a reward. Because I show say if now they watch this one, now go they think and say, this guy will be say we don't render and useless now. How in life won't they be? Or now the reason I say one day self on ourselves go there, now we'll go face judgment. Or now those they do things anyhow. But this guy again, he still talk something. Wey pay me reach my bone marrow. He complain say in Uber company, since when this whole thing happened, they don't even send one person to go even check up on him behind their life or abi no dey okay. The only thing they do now, they just send 250,000 naira. 250, no be even money to me. But first, I beg, Jen show the guy useless rich. We be saying, I know even free reason. I say, okay, this person, our colleague, with the workforce, make we at least try help him. Now, why they always talk, say, no go they kill yourself on top of one year company. Because last, the fit just replace you just like that. This one now, in don't blind, in if he drive car again, they call him. No, they just leave and make him, they don't even forget him. Me, I go just advise, if you get some kind of money, just carry and give your wife. Since you talk, say she did very, very supportive, make she just use and start business. They use and take care of you. Because if you decide to wait for these super people, and maybe government, last, you may not even see anything. But our government, they're supposed to find something to do about cultism. Inside Nigeria, now, if like say this thing don't take the whole of every school, every community, you go here say cultists they get. I beg, we cannot try stop this whole thing because it don't they lead people astray. So many youths now want join cultists because I don't know being a protection. I been waiting that they find. I been just because they want make they fear them. I beg nobody way. So government I beg find something to do. If not to ban them totally inside school, anybody way even here say that they do a secret, there they will just kill them. Because these people they don't cause more harm than damage. So many things officers don't do they never even catch them. But I hear say this ones who commit this crime, they don't catch them. And it good, the sweet me say they don't catch them, but make they rot inside jail. So that next time, for their life, they don't go even think to come out again as cultists for their life. Anyways, my people, now here, I go take break on this matter. Make us stay tuned for our next step. I hear say the students of Tai Solarin University don't come outside, they protest over the extortion and brutalization from military men where they happen inside their school. But before I continue, I say make a salute everybody where they watch me. But right now, as I hear say peace no they reign for that location. Say because say the students say complain, I hear say military men don't go there. Go even they arrest people. I make a content at the worst of the world. They can't employ Abina Amon, carry armor tankers. See make this thing go there. Go they fight then these students. But before I continue, they can follow me watch. I beg we go ever go forward for this Nigeria. I'm not tank when we say I say I won't use and go fight military men. Now what's in even talk? Can fight Boko Haram and people. Now I can't carry now come the use and take the face students. I beg I don't understand why students go they protest and I go they send in armed men. Now what now won't go fight for there? Because sometimes now they even make all the situation worse. Students they protest against the killing. And the beating where soldiers they treat them still on another gets the message. On a still come send the same soldiers so we say they protest against. So when they still come there, come settle the youth. I beg why we say we do they use our brain. Sometimes there's so school management and no be on they even get sense. Because if I reason this thing, on not even supposed to call them. At least call another force where we say go even calm them these people down. Now if person can't die for here now, go there say na mistake. In which I wanna carry this kind of shooting cars, go there say I won't go fight them these people. But me, I go advise all these students. I beg, make they go back to our house. Because this one, when we say they don't bring this one, later now we go here, say somebody don't order, say they shoot them. It's best just go house, go stay safe. Because Nigeria know they what's dying for. If you die, last even your family, shrink back, they no go give them. 5 naira, they no go pay them. So if you dey good for you, just go sit down for one place. They fight your fight quietly. Because we know the kind of Nigeria where we dey. The one where inside happen inside Lekki on a city your drama where they use take over. I know we come make another one now when they happen to students, they will come use another conny ways again to recover everything. So if it's good for now, this protest, make them just allow one die. Whoever they arrest, make them go meet school management. Make they release the person. Make them stop to the face in this military men because most of them are animals. Make them not carry their anger, frustration where they say they follow them from their village, when they put them on top of now. Now beg, now they use God, they beg. Make them just go back to our house. Anyways, my people, now here I will end up on this matter. Make them stay tuned for our next story. Nothing where we no go see for inside this Nigeria will do. Hey, I hear say inside Kano State, among all the old projects we did for Nigeria, the governor of Kano, where his name na Abdullahi Umar Ganduju, This man don't decide say he won't commission car wash. Then na wetin he wan put inside him own state as a governor. My people, they can follow me watch. In fact, I pity us as Nigerians. But Aboki will continue to be Aboki. Una see the kind jubilation wey dey among them, these people. They shout, say Baba, they happy. I beg, wetin una dey happy for? Because I dey very sad to say all of una wey dey for that place, half of una no get car. Wey be say that we even carry and say na dey go wash am. So wetin come be the essence of this whole thing? But Mr. Governor, I get one question for you. I beg you ask your state people now, then come tell you okay, now wetin they need be this. Abi you just decide say okay, now what you want go do be this. Because me I dey very sad to say every money where they go generate from this business, now your pocket they enter. So how be say this one way they do now, it can't help the whole state. Other things they you know reason as make you do. School they you know reason as make you do that. Hospital, what be hospital? Hospital too big. Ordinary pipe burn water because I know say most of all these kind of places they don't even get good water. You know things can say make you at least do this one for them. Now car wash. Where be say now you go benefit people where be say get cars like you. But I see they talk on a days they numbered. The way when they destroy this our country, one day now go catch up with all the wahala when they do. Anyways, my people now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.